Sample questions. Question number 1. If actual cost AC equals to 500, planned value PV equals to 475, and earned value EV equals to 550, calculate schedule variance SV. A 75, B 50, C 1.10, D 1.16. These kinds of questions help you memorize the formulas easier. Therefore, in the sample questions lecture, we will have this kind of questions. It seems easy if you already memorized the formulas. If so, I have good news for you. In the exam, you may see this kind of questions as well. Don't assume that each question in the exam will be hard. Or again, don't assume you will need to comment on each question. Computer will select your questions from a question pool, and the selected questions may be both kinds, either the easy ones or the hard ones. After giving this tip for the exam, let's go back to our first question for earned value sample questions lecture. In the question, we can see that three variables are given: AC, the actual cost, PV, the planned value, EV, the earned value. Since it asks for SV, the schedule variance, let's remember the related formula. SV equals to earned value minus planned value. We know both values, so let's place them into the equation. 550 minus 475 equals to 75, and this will be our answer for this question. As you can see, we didn't use the actual cost to answer the question. In the exam, you will see that some questions will have some extra information which is not needed to answer the question. You may not need to use all the information in the question. Just don't forget this. Question number 2. If actual cost AC equals to 3000, planned value PV equals to 3500, and earned value EV equals to 2500, calculate cost variance CV. A 1000, B minus 1000, C 500, D minus 500. What do you think? Let's remember the formula for cost variance. Cost variance equals to earned value minus actual cost. Therefore, to find CV, we need earned value and actual cost. We know both the values. Let's place them into the equation. 2500 minus 3000 equals to minus 500, and the answer is D, minus 500. Question number 3. If actual cost AC equals to 1500, planned value PV equals to 1000, and earned value EV equals to 1100, calculate schedule performance index SPI. A 0.73, B 1.10, C 1.50, and D 1.36. What do you think? Let's remember the formula for schedule performance index. SPI equals to earned value divided by planned value. Since we know all the variables in the formula, let's solve the question. 1100 divided by 1000 will give us 1.10, and this will be our schedule performance index SPI. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Question number 4. If actual cost AC equals to 70, planned value PV equals to 50, earned value EV equals to 65, calculate cost performance index CPI. A 1.08, B 0.77, C 0.93, D 1.30. What do you think the answer is? To solve this question, we need to memorize the formula for cost performance index first. CPI equals to earned value divided by actual cost. If you place the variables into the equation, 65 divided by 70 equals to 0.93, and this is our answer. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Question number 5. If schedule performance index for a project is 0.90, which one is correct about this project? A. Project is over budget. B. Project is under budget. C. Project is ahead of schedule. D. Project is behind schedule. What do you think? If you remember the formula, this will help you to comment on the question easier. Schedule performance index equals to earned value divided by planned value. Now, let's go one by one. As you can see from the formula, there are only two variables in the formula: the earned value and the planned value. It does not include any variable about the budget or cost. Therefore, SPI, the schedule performance index, does not tell anything about what is our situation with our budget. So, the answer may not be A or B. In the question, it says SPI equals to 0.90, which is less than 1. From the formula, we see that for SPI to be less than 1, the earned value should be less than planned value. If EV is less than planned value, then we can see that we are slower than what we planned at the beginning. As a final result, if SPI is less than 1, we are behind the schedule. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Project is behind the schedule.